Welcome to the McAfee how-to video on installing Cloud Workload Security 5.0. In this tutorial we will look at downloading and installing the Cloud Workload Security extensions for ePolicy Orchestrator. We will show you how to configure Cloud Workload Security accounts to access VMware vCenter and AWS. Log into the McAfee download site with your grant number, select Cloud Workload Security 5.0 from your list of available products. Under the 4 tabs you will find software downloads with the complete extension bundle, extensions with the help and advanced feature licensing extensions, packages which has the virtual network sensor probes for Linux and Windows, and documentation which contains the release notes, install guides, and product guides. Select each extension you wish to download and allow the downloads to complete. Once your downloads are complete, you need to log into McAfee ePolicy Orchestrator, or EPO, and navigate to the Extension Management interface. From here, you will install each of the extensions. Follow the on-screen prompts to select the extension zip files you wish to install. After each operation is complete, check that the correct extensions have been installed. The bundle and advanced features install under the Data Center Security topic, and the Help extension installs under the Help Content topic. You are now ready to start creating accounts for accessing your public and private cloud service provider accounts. Navigate to the Cloud Workload Security user interface using the EPO menu. Since this is the first time you are accessing the user interface, there is a help wizard to guide you through the account creation process. Along with each account type, there are knowledge base articles that will assist you in setting up the user's roles and permissions for each cloud service provider you use. If at any time you exit the wizard, accounts can also be added using the Accounts drop-down on the lower left-hand side of the interface. There are currently 3 account types supported: Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, and VMware vCenter. Each account type requires credentials specific to that service provider. Our first example is VMware vCenter. You will need the IP address of your vCenter server, username and password to access vCenter, any default tags and policies you want applied to workloads as they are added. Windows domain credentials allow Cloud Workload Security to access any Windows workloads to install the McAfee agent if needed. Once you've finished entering all the credentials, test the connection. After testing the connection, verify the certificates and submit. After a few moments, account status is displayed and shows that a sync is scheduled. Now let's add an AWS account. For AWS, you will need the access key ID and secret access key provided by AWS for your selected user. Select the default policy and add any tags. Windows domain credentials can be added to allow the deployment of McAfee Agent to any Windows workloads. Test your connection and click Submit. After the sync is completed, you will be able to see all active workloads in your configured cloud service provider accounts. Clicking on the refresh icon will force the latest available data to be displayed. Now you are ready to begin managing the security of your public and private cloud workloads, ensuring continuous and consistent security and providing compliance and protection from advanced threats with minimum impact on performance and full visibility.